In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on iPhone lock screen. So first things first, let's go ahead and open the settings. Here in the settings, we're going to go ahead and locate the wallpaper. Afterwards, we're going to click Add New Wallpaper. Here at the top, you should see Photo Shuffle. Go ahead and click it. And then you'll be given two options here. Use featured photos or select photos manually, which will allow you to choose photos from your gallery. So I'll be choosing the photos manually. Now here, I want you to choose any photos that you'd like to use as lock screens. In my case, I'm going to try these 6 photos here, just like so. And then afterwards, go ahead and click Add at the top right corner. And then from here, what we are going to do is just click the 3 horizontal dots down below for you to choose how often the photos change from one to another. For example, I'm going to choose daily. After which, go ahead and tap the Add button at the top right corner. And then click Set as Wallpaper Pair for the lock screen photos to be visible as your home screen as well. And there you go. That is how you are going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.